All right, so continuing what we're doing, sequences dealing with closed guard. So last week we started with escape the half guard to get the closed guard, and then we went over our technique. Yesterday we started a new one for this week, so we're starting in the mount. So I think everyone here knows by now the mount escape. So I'm gonna go over it kind of quickly. So if by chance his hands are up, it's easier for me if his hands are on the mat. So I put my quad on his butt and I just push him over here. So both hands, pick a side, and I'm gonna block his hip. Make sure this top arm isn't starting to reach over like that. If your elbow crosses their belly button, you're in a bad spot right here. I saw some people trying to do it that way yesterday. So here, and then look, heels to my butt, bridge, big, turn on my side, and then I like shrimp up like this. So now my elbow's inside here, and my low back is starting to push that way. So the more I make him do the splits, the better for me. So I push this here with the elbow, bring my knee through. This turns into an underhook right here. And then I get my right elbow inside and do the same exact thing over here. Boom. Bring my knee up here. And if your foot ever gets caught here, just bring your head more to this side and it'll let you be able to circle your leg out. And then I showed a few different grip setups yesterday. So we got like 2-on-1 straight across here, or we got like Russian style here, or we got like arm drag style here. Boom. But I want to get his arm across my body here and use my knees to pull him in here. I'm going to grab a hold of him and hug him and pull him in here. I use this hand. If I don't already have a good lat grip, I'm going to open this up and then make a strong grip with my lat. Look how he's flat right now. He's on his chest, like flat, chest to chest right here. He's not like this on the side. This does not work nowhere near as well. So try to get them flat right here. Set up your grip. I'm going to shoot this underhook under the leg here. I can open my guard. I just want to start making my angle. I want to become perpendicular to him and load him up on me. So if you see right here, I got good control of him. I'm going to use this as the pendulum right here, slam it down, and then get it out of the way. So when I put him down, he's not on top of my leg. And then look, it's like a sprawl. I'm driving my belly into his tricep right here as I go to the mount. And then one more grip variation I showed yesterday is there'll be times where you're in here like this. You can go 2-on-1, or maybe just whatever happens the case is, you get a chance to just pick his arm up just by the sleeve right there. And you can do like a quicker style like this too. Same thing to get the pendulum sweep. Mount. So starting again from the mount, from this side. So post, 2-on-1 here. I bridge up, and then I shrimp up as I bring my elbow in here. Knee through. Turns it into an underhook. Right elbow, push the knee. Hand, push the knee. Here. Boom. Whichever grip variation you want to do. Pull your knees in to break his posture. Get your grip. Get your angle. Come on top. Make sure you're heavy on this tricep right here. Any questions? It's more just like a quick one. Sometimes I'll be like this. Maybe they start pulling, but we're still like floating in the air. So it's also like real similar to like a flower sweep, or I could do arm bars like this. But the idea is I got this arm up and he can't post on it. So I just change my angle and take it.
You don't do like the posture break ball?
No, that one's more like a quick one. It's more like a opportunistic one. Good? Yeah. All right, ready?